Imagine you're building a rocket ship. Do you want to be the genius designing the laws of physics that makes it fly? Or the mastermind engineering every nut, bolt, and system that brings it to life? That's the essence of computer science versus software engineering. Today, we're diving into what makes these two tech paths unique, why someone might choose one over the other, and how each can launch your dream career. Let's start with computer science. If you love diving into algorithms, artificial intelligence, and exploring the why behind how computers work, this is your playground. Computer science focuses on the foundational theories of computation and programming. It is great for people who want flexibility. You can branch into data science, machine learning, cybersecurity, or even academia. On the flip side, we have software engineering. This field is all about creating functional, user-friendly applications and systems. If you thrive on problem solving and teamwork, this actually might be your calling. Software engineers focus on the how of development, design, coding, and maintaining software products. The career paths here are crystal clear: app developers, system architects, or full stack engineers. So, why choose one over the other? If you are curious about the science behind the tech, how things work, and how they can be optimized, computer science is your ticket. Think of it as the ideal choice for those who love theory and innovation. But if you're more into building things that people use daily, apps, software, tools, or complex systems, software engineering offers that hands-on experience. It is perfect for those who want to see their creations in action. Are you a theorist or a builder? Whether you choose computer science for its versatility or software engineering for its practicality, the key is aligning your passions with your goals. Now it's your turn. CS or software engineer? Check out additional resources in the description below, and let's navigate the world of technology together.